You don't get to do the I won when I lost you.
Hey, so here we are at RiverGirl kayaking in Todd, North Carolina. We are about ready to get bussed up to the spot and get dropped off. By the way, this place is so cute. Like all this fun stuff outside. They have a goat. See the goat? That's a goat. And we're gonna go kayaking for our second time. The first time a couple days ago on a lake. This is going to be a little more challenging.
We're on the New River, which I read is considered to be the second oldest river in the world. Now, there's some debate about that, but widely accepted as the second oldest, only behind the Nile.
Fun facts. All right, here's hoping we don't flip, and we're going to have some cool footage. Hopefully. This water is like ridiculously shallow. So we're literally just floating and using the paddle really just to control ourselves.
So at some point you have video footage of me just dropping my phone into the water. So my phone overheated this whole time, so I couldn't record very much, and the GoPro won't turn on. So I didn't get any video of the bridge that we had to go under, but Ashley did. Very narrow bridge. Such a relaxing way to go down the river. Probably not as comfortable as the tubing, but the water is super shallow. You can see the rocks there. Let's see what Ashley's doing. She's far up there. So just paddling along, enjoying the river. Look behind me and there's no Brian anywhere in sight. So I turn around, stop the boat, keep waiting. Finally, see him back there? Way back there. I lost him. Oops. Yeah.
We're tracking a crane. We saw it fly someplace, and I don't know where it went. 2.5 hours into this adventure. Only got stuck a couple of times. And I've noticed every time I film, I just twist around in a circle because I can't keep it straight. She's all the way. Boom. Where'd she go? Boom. There she is.
That is an enormous dragonfly. So we have been kayaking for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and there's the swinging rope out here. Brian's gonna give it a try. Sure.
Our attempt at tree swinging went miserably. We're not really good at that, but we're trying.
Yeah, my upper body strength, it's not existent.
But hey, that's what this is all about.
And I have
New
half the
adventures.
river up my nose, and I lost my shoe while I was swinging. Not for me.
Yeah. I didn't feel comfortable with the sharp rocks.
Sorry, I'm just dying here. So we just got back from a 3-hour kayak tour with RiverGirl Fishing Company. It was awesome. We enjoyed it. River's super easy, so if you're a first-time kayaker, it's a great place to start. We timed it perfectly. Just started thundering as we were walking back to the car. You can see, looks like may do some storming. But yeah, we had a great time. We definitely recommend it. If you're in the area of Todd, North Carolina, look for RiverGirl. Come kayak with them. I forgot to mention, if you're not into kayaking, you don't want to kayak, they also do inner tubing. I think they do canoeing, they rent fishing equipment, they do a lot of stuff, so check out their website for sure. Could not have timed that any better if we tried. Started thundering just as we were walking back to the car. It's about a 5-minute walk once you get out of the river back to the place where the parking is and kayaks are. Talked to them for a couple of minutes. Brian got a hat. And we got a Christmas ornament for our travel tree. And literally as soon as we got in the car, it started raining. So unfortunately for all the people who weren't as lucky as us, they are coming out with vans to pick up the ones that were left in inner tubes. We didn't see many other kayakers today, mostly inner tubes. Great day to float down the river, have some beer. They do that too, so make sure to check them out if you're in the area, or it's totally worth the trip if you're not in the area.